If you're looking for a quick and easy way to sign documents online without creating an account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign documents digitally without needing to set up any accounts or get bogged down with unnecessary steps. Stick around because I'll also share a free trial to the software I recommend so you can follow along and start signing documents today. Alright, let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to know is that there are several tools available that allow you to sign documents online quickly without the hassle of creating an account. One of the easiest methods is using a PDF editor or e-signing platform that doesn't require any signups. You can simply upload your document and start signing right away. First, let's take a look at the software we'll be using today. This software allows you to upload your document directly from your computer or even from cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Once your document is uploaded, you're ready to sign. Look for a sign button or something similar to get started. Now, when you click that button, the software will give you a few options for signing. You can either draw your signature with your mouse or trackpad, type your name in a signature font, or even upload an image of your actual signature if you prefer. Whichever method you choose, just position your signature where you want it on the document. Once your signature is in place, you can usually adjust the size or position to make sure everything looks perfect. After that, most platforms will give you the option to download the signed document right to your device or send it directly via email. Some tools even let you add extra details like the date or a message, but for now, let's focus on the essentials. It's important to remember that while this method doesn't require creating an account, some software might ask for a temporary email or phone number to send you the signed document or for security purposes, so keep an eye out for that. But rest assured, no long registration process is necessary. Now, if you're wondering about the software I'm recommending here, I've tested a bunch of popular e-signing tools, and this one definitely stands out. It's fast, simple to use, and doesn't require creating an account. Just upload, sign, and download. And for viewers of my channel, I've secured an exclusive free trial so you can try it for yourself. The link is in the description below, so be sure to grab that. Quick recap. To sign documents online without creating an account, you simply need to upload your document to an e-signing software. Choose your preferred method of signing and download your signed document. This software is incredibly easy to use and no accounts are needed. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial I mentioned, linked in the description. The key takeaway here is that you can sign documents online quickly and easily without the need to set up an account, saving you time and hassle. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you want to get started right now, don't forget to grab your free trial from the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.